everyone, long time no talk. Just got back into speed painting because I quit my job because now I'm a mom. So I'm gonna have a lot more time to do all of this and get back into it and get back into the things of stuff that I love. And it'll be fun, and I'm super sorry it took so long for me to come back. I don't know if anyone's listening anymore, but I really missed doing speed paints and stuff, and I may be talking to myself, but I don't know. Hopefully, I still have a couple of people that hung on to hope. I know it's been a couple of years. I did go back to school and stuff during that time. Didn't really work out. Then I got a job, a house, a mortgage, a child. So hopefully all is forgiven, and a couple of people want to chill with me from the people that I left behind. Super sorry, life happens. Not making up an excuse. There has been a few people that commented on my videos asking me when I'm gonna come back, and that kind of pulled at my heartstrings a little bit because I have strangers that care about my art, which is awesome. But anyway, I decided to draw power. Me and my fiance got into Chainsaw Man. I read the manga. He doesn't really like anime, but I'm trying to convert him. He likes a couple of Studio Ghibli films, which is cool, but he's a macho man, likes trucks and stuff. So we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll get him into Initial D or something. Alright, enjoy the video.
To think I have you, but I don't like to lie. So I lie here while you lie to her. Want to think you have me, cause you don't like to lose, but you lose me like they always do. Think I know you better to forget her. Certain people made for running. Think I need you more than let you know I'm bored, and tell me this means more than nothing. All you see is black roses. Could have been, but that's hoping. Don't ask for something more than yours.
take my pride away from me. You don't ever listen, and you live with your complacency. You don't scare me, but you should fear me. The sun is setting, don't trust your hearing. You made a monster, I'm your imposter. Go ahead and wander, but don't trust the water. I'm the nightmare of the deep. Take my pride away from me. You don't ever listen, and you live with your complacency. You don't scare me, but you should fear me. The sun is setting, don't trust your hearing. You made a monster, I'm your imposter. Go ahead and wander, but don't trust the water.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm planning on doing a lot more. Alright, see you next time.